In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate sending a link in an Instagram DM using ManyChat. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you want to make sure that you have your ManyChat account ready and that it's connected to your Instagram business account. This is crucial since the automation will be sent through Instagram direct messages. Accessing your ManyChat account is as simple as typing in your username and password. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, look over to your left menu and find the automation section. Here, you'll click on it and then select the option for Plus New Automation. This is the starting point where you will set up your automation to send a message containing the link you want to share. The next step is to choose the right template for your automation. You will want to select the option for Auto DM Links from Comments. This template is specifically designed to send direct messages based on user interactions with your posts or comments. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Now, it's time to select the specific Instagram post or reel that you want to connect this automation with. If you've been using a pro plan, you will have the flexibility to select Next Post or Reel, which can help you target content beyond just one post. This is a fantastic feature if you regularly create multiple pieces of content that you want to promote through direct messages. Now that you've selected your Instagram content, the next step is to establish a specific trigger keyword under the comment settings. This is basically a term or phrase that would prompt the automation to kick in. For example, you can use keywords like link or info. When a user comments with this keyword on your selected post, that's when ManyChat will know to send out the automated message. Once your trigger is set, it's time to craft your automated direct message. This message should feel inviting and conversational. You want your audience to feel welcomed and not like they're just receiving a generic automated response. Consider writing a friendly greeting and a brief introduction that encourages them to click on the link you'll be sharing. Next, you'll want to incorporate your desired link into the message. You can do this by clicking on the plus add a link option or by adding a button element. This makes it easy and clear for your audience to know where to click. When you're adding your link, make sure it's the web URL you wish to direct them to, be it a landing page, a product page, or any other relevant web space. Don't forget to give your button a clear label. Phrases like get access or open link work well here, anything that makes it irresistible for users to click. You want your audience to know immediately what they'll get by clicking that button. Once you have your automated message all set with the link included, take a moment to preview the message flow. This is really crucial, as you want to ensure that everything is working correctly before you go live. It's always good to test whether the automation behaves correctly and sends the message flawlessly. Finally, you're almost there. Once you're satisfied with the preview, look for the Go Live button, usually located in the top right corner. Clicking this will activate your new automation, and you're all set. Congratulations! You've just automated sending a link in an Instagram DM using ManyChat. Now you can interact with your followers more efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Happy automating!